Why do planets float in space and not fall down? For us, Earth is our home for survival. Its mass reaches 624 times 10 to the 24th kilograms. This mass is so huge, but why can it float in space without falling? The main reason is actually the joint effect of universal gravitation and the vacuum environment. Then if the current balance of the solar system is broken, will Earth become a wandering planet? In the vast and boundless universe, all celestial bodies operate in an orderly manner. The main reason is universal gravitation. For example, the Sun has gravity on Earth, and Earth also has the same gravity on the Sun. Other planets are the same. For Earth, moving towards the Sun is considered falling. The 8 planets of the solar system are all like this, following the Sun and rotating around the center of the Milky Way at a speed of 220 kilometers per second. The motion trajectory of planets can be seen as a spiral shape. Since the Sun's gravity is so strong, why do no planets fall onto its surface? This relates to the planet's own state of motion, mainly including revolution and rotation. When Earth rotates, the limiting speed near the equator is 465 meters per second, with a rotation period of 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds, which is conventionally 1 day. At the same time as rotating, Earth also revolves around the Sun at a speed of 30 kilometers per second, with a period of 365.2 days, which is 1 Earth year. Especially the centrifugal force provided by revolution balances with the Sun's gravity, allowing Earth to remain stable in its orbit. In fact, it's not just Earth. All celestial bodies are stabilized in their orbits due to universal gravitation. Secondly, the universe is the most perfect vacuum environment, making celestial motion almost unaffected by resistance. Saying Earth floats in space is not accurate because all celestial bodies in the universe float in space, and there is no distinction of up, down, left, or right in the universe. To distinguish up, down, left, and right requires fixed reference objects. What we call falling actually refers to a new direction. From the perspective of time, the Earth has formed for 4.6 billion years, and the current state of motion will need to be maintained for a very long time in the future. Unless there are strong external forces interfering with the current balance. For example, a wandering star suddenly intruding into the current solar system, or the Sun suddenly becoming a red giant. But this will still take another 5 billion years.